Have you ever felt like you're doing it?
Can we have a big round of applause to the Kiribati community? KAMORALE! Next up. representative from the Japanese community. Can we have a Japanese representative? From the Japan community that are here in FSM, we have a representative to talk a little bit more about the community that are here. Thank you.
Good morning in KAMORALE. Or in Japan, we would say konnichiwa. So, it is my great pleasure to be here today. Unfortunately, we don't have any performance, but I would like to introduce to you a bit about what we're doing at our booth today. So today, if you come to our booth, you can experience some origami. Origami is paper folding. So we fold cranes and fish with origami, with paper. So you can try with us to try yourself, or you can just pick one up from the ones that we've made prior to this event. Also, we have yukata wearing experience. So yukata is a summer wear. Many of you might know kimono, but yukata is a simplified version of a kimono that you wear during the summer. So you would go out during the summer festivals, wear your yukata and view the fireworks. So you can also try that. You can also try one of the traditional Japanese toys called kendama. So please come visit our booth. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Japanese community here in Pohnpei. Our final, before we break off to lunch, our final community, international community that are here in Pohnpei is the African community. Can we, KAMORALE! Can we have a representative from the community to kind of talk a little bit more about the community? This is the African community that are here in Pohnpei. They're working. Yes. Thank you.
Good morning, and KAMORALE. So I'll be representing the African community here, and good enough we have a pretty healthy community of Africans here, mostly in developmental work, humanitarian work, and some working with the government. So yeah, we're pretty small, but the numbers have grown over like 2 years. We're like 15 people here now, so that should count for much, right? So anyway, to top it off, I'm going to be presenting some spoken word poetry, give you an insight on what we as Africans are all about, and basically where we